time I hit a bounce, you hear this?
No, that one's your fault.
No, but when I hit anytime I hit a bump, it creaks like this.
That was your fault.
What can I say? That's a lot of anxiety. But I don't know what this noise is.
That's the spring from the bottom. That's the seat.
Really?
Yeah.
I noticed it.
In that case, I can do nothing about it. Hey, you like the noise, huh?
Yeah.
I cannot take the screw right now.
What the? You did it and you already knew what it is. Look at you.
I know what it is.
You fell and then you just like, I want to see if you notice it. You don't have a magnet to just put in here?
No, that one is a long bolt. I forget to take it out.
See, look at this. He
It's
did it.
It's my.
He knew it, and he fucking left it.
Yeah, that's nice.
How's that nice?
Huh? The noise again. Is it that?
Stay out of here. He's getting turned on.
You wanna take it or no?
Yeah,
You're gonna
take it.
no. You're gonna leave it.
No, I'm gonna take it. I need a car tonight.
So take it like that. That noise that doesn't bother you. You broke the lid?
I broke it.
No way.
They're gonna send me a new one.
Why?
They're gonna send me a new one. Who cares?
You want the same one or new one?
No, I went through the same lip.
Trust me, bro. I'm gonna fix that.
What's up, loser? Why did you came late?
I'm late?
Yeah, you are.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Oh, shit. What time was I supposed to be here?
10 o'clock.
Hold on, take a picture.
It's faster than my car.
It is?
The whole car on my neck.
It looks like you stole an ultimate.
What?
I was waiting for this for 1 year.
You can't even put this on a car.
Of course I can.
Nobody here can do that.
Of course. Javier, come, bitch. This is a fucking $8,000.
You gotta take the whole engine out and put back the engine and then you do that.
What wheels are these?
Don't know.
This is the Ferrari GT4 Lusso. You've seen this a little bit on the channel before. We just added the full Novatec carbon fiber kit on there, which includes the side skirt, it includes a front lip, and then it includes the 3 sections, the roof, the trunk, and these little add-ons underneath the diffuser. You guys know this car is weird looking, but honestly it's a really cool car because it is the V12 all-wheel drive Ferrari and it has 4 seats. The back end is beautiful, the side profile is a little bit funky, and the front is pretty long, so it's kind of a weird shaped car. This car had HRE 501s on there, the classics, and it was a little bit too classic for this car, a little bit too much. And we opted to go with the 5-star look that we made pretty popular on the SF90s. Pretty much the same wheels went on there, 21-22. The nice fat Michelin tires, Novatec lowering. It's got a full exhaust on there, it's super, super loud. As you can see, this is the lowest setting you can go on. It's on the Novatec suspension all the way down. And it's a really cool car. It's got the red interior, of course. Beautiful spec. But yeah, I know there's a lot of non-fans, and there's a bunch of fans on it too. So let us know your thoughts on this. It took us kind of weeks to figure out what to put on it. The customer had no idea what to do because, like I said, it's a pretty odd-shaped car. So I think the 5-star broke it up pretty nicely, and it came out really, really nice.
Thank you, clear my valve.
Can you zip it all the way? That's incredible. Oh, his skin! Oh, he almost died.
This part, I just want to check if it's gonna work or not. There you go, bro. Well, I think it's the wrong. You need help? Oh, it's the wrong one. Fuck. Here, let me see. Bring it here. I'll help you.
It's not gonna fit because of the pins. The pins are all lined up in a straight line. That's like a real European model, right? Like this is the United States. Hey, you guys got the wrong light.
Yeah, they got it wrong light. One time I didn't order.
That's why we only trust you, because you know what the real lights are.
One time. One single time. I didn't order, this is what happens. the wrong light.
The pins are straight on this one, and then the pins in the back on this are like up and.
Yeah, but so it doesn't fit?
Yeah, it doesn't fit. Like, look, they're like this right here, but right there, they're all straight.
Slide it in here so it doesn't fall. Okay, can you start the car?
Yeah, can you start the car? Yeah.
Yeah, it fits. Yeah, it's good.
He gave up so quick.
Yeah, he's like, I'm going home.
He wanted to be. He was excited because it wasn't him that ordered it. So he
Yeah,
wanted,
that's
like,
right.
He wanted
He
somebody
was
else
like,
to mess
yes.
up.
they
He wanted
fucked up.
someone to fail.
Yes, sir.
Well, left signal, right signal. Oh, the movie girl.
Yeah.
So we have this SF90 here. This car's in here for a few things. One, we're gonna have to go ahead and repair the bottom side of the front bumper. Some damages on it. Also, this car has a right front low tire, so we're gonna see if customer accidentally hit a pothole or if there's a nail in it. So this is an easy one, pretty quick one. Let's get this thing out of here.
The wheels all fixed and good?
King of the cars. This is the king of the cars.
No, you always say that.
I love this car.
You like this interior? You
Like
the
I will choose like red inside. The thing I don't like on this,
turns off?
yeah, I hate this. You gotta go back out. I'm gonna move the SVJ and then you're gonna park it here.
You can fit?
Yeah?
Yeah. I'll help you.
Get out, get out. They don't know what to do. It's lazy. Just get out. They're lazy. He's been in the car for 30 minutes. Get out. Get out. They're lazy. You cannot go lazier than this. How is he lazy when I'm going moving? No, don't move this there. I'm going forward so they can move cars. No, don't go. I have to move the S-Cars. I'm not dealing with it. No, hold on. S-Cars have to go first.
Come on. Go straight. You're good. Come on.
They must have been on just moving cars.
We have to do this at night.
Better driver than you.
For sure, yeah. Nicer than your BMW seats, for sure.
Yeah, better.
100%.
And it's faster than a Urus.
Shelby GT500. I really don't know anything about this car other than it's a Shelby and it looks sick.
500 and R.
It's so refreshing for an SVJ with a stock exhaust system. I honestly love it. It's so amazing. I mean, look at this thing. You can't even hear it. It's sick. You guys can't tell me you're not sick of SVJ exhaust already. Look at this. I literally could talk with an SVJ next to me. Normally, we can't even talk in the shop, and we're all scared. Look at this. If you have an SVJ with an aftermarket exhaust, pay us, and we'll put a stock system on your car.
Oh, you like the stock one?
It feels like it's a fake Lambo. It's not a real one.
Yeah, your car is fake M5. Yeah.
What is your car? We can't tell from the elbow. Better than this. That's it. That's it. I wanted to even out with this. Huh?
This is in track mode. So track mode is different. I can put it in sport, and then we have we know the vehicle's on. There is slippery mode, normal mode, sport mode. Sport mode is even, look at that dash. You guys can't tell me this car is not cool. Good job. And now it has RDB signature wheels on the stock tires, which are performance tires. So it looks better. Offset is more aggressive. We did polished wheels to go with the white. Let's go take it for a spin. Orbeez. Sarkis is there too.
I did like a selfie.
That wasn't a selfie. Both of your hands were there.
He's wearing a Jordan T-shirt that says
shirt is so great.
Hey, I got good comments.
the Airman. What is that? Anyways, the what man?
Jumpman.
The oh yeah, and the tequila bottle's done, by the way.
Yeah, he's done.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also If you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right. So see you on the next one. Haha.